Hello traders, this is DFXS. Welcome to TFX family, and I believe that guys, you are all doing good. My friend, before I proceed, I just want to cover something that is very important because we are on the spot of something or the mistake that manual traders or traders do when they are trading without having or without confirming everything that they should be confirming. And thank God for TFX company, because as you can see on our chart is complete. This is the TFX Nairobi plus Ambacas MT4 manual system, and you can see we got this indicator. It's a free indicator online, and it's very helpful. And I really thank God for the owner of this indicator, because it has strengthened more of our system. Now our system can confirm everything, and the indicators are for the market strength also, or market meter. It's very helpful, and now our system here can help a lot of traders to analyze the market or to confirm everything in one chart, and you are good to go. But I want to correct you not to do any mistake, to follow the rules of this system, now not to make any mistake, so that you can make a good money, and without struggling or jumping from this time frame to another. One thing before we proceed, because I just want to say that your system now, TFX Nairobi manual system, should look like this one. Thank God for those who have the system. You get the updates for free. So it will be all for free for Nairobi users. Guys, before anything changes, let me confirm something here before the market does something or reverse from this area. I just want to show you that from now henceforth, I want us, every Nairobi or our manual users, to use the key levels, and the system is very complete, and the template is very simple. We only have one template here, Nairobi Ambacas. It is very simple. We don't have many templates when it comes to our manual system or in our system. We made everything easier. And at this area, there is a scanner. We have a currency strength here, or currency strength meter, and another one here. And now let me show you something here, because this market gonna reverse. You can see here, we don't have exactly signal of the buy. Let us go to weekly. In a weekly time frame, we are in a buy. This is a buy thing. This is a buy thing, and remember, we must confirm with our Renko. And as you can see here, there is no support here to tell us that this is a buy thing. Secondly, you can see our channel line is it is at this point, it was not touched. So this one, even if it is a buy thing from weekly, we cannot buy that one, because they must say the same thing with our Renko. But let me show you why the Renko, our system is so perfect, cannot even buy this market, even if you can see there is a signal here confirmed. There is an arrow changing color of our trend maker, trend master, and you can see there is a signal here. But let us analyze market something here that is very interesting. As you can see, the GPP, it's very weak with 2%, and it is a base currency. All right, the GPP JPY, the JPY, it is a strong with 5.4 5.4. This is 50 point strength for buying. This is why you can see even here it is 50 plus 50% buy, and the same thing here, it is 50%, 5.1, it's 50%, saying that it is a good to buy. But let me show something. The most interesting here, we will buy only if our second currency meter here, or currency strength here, hit 70% or 75% and above. From 75% sell or buy, we will come and confirm everything here. So this one should be saying buy, and this one should be saying buy. And when we come to our scanner here, it will be with red and white. As you can see, all of them here, a lot of them are in gray. So when one is weaker than 2%, it will be in red. Let me confirm something here, guys. You can see here we have GPP pound, the GPP here pound. You can see the red one here. This means the weak one, which is here GPP with 20%. It is the GPP still here with 2.1, and you can see here it is still 2.1, but in red. I will cover this later, but I just want to, because I just want to show you how you'll be confirming this and other ones here before you buy. It is very, 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 very important to learn this, because after learning this, let me tell you guys, if you obey the rules of the system, you'll be banking money each and every time. Now, let us proceed first before we jump into our scanner here. Let us check what is going on here. The market was 50, and you can see now it is 40%. I'm telling you why. Because you can see the GPP is very weak with 20%. So even if here I can tell you it is 50% to buy, yet here it is the GPP is very weak, you can't buy. Are you getting my point? Because the GPP should be the strongest, because it is the base currency. So the GPP should be the strongest, and the JPY should be weak. So this is why sometimes someone can say, oh, I got a signal, but after buying, the market went against me. It is because you didn't confirm the currency strength. Secondly, let me show you something here. Now we are trading from the POI, point of interest, or we are trading from a key levels. Let me just right click here and go to our Agatha here. Let me say, for example, let us activate like 4 hours. All right. The reason why I just want the reason why I want us to trade only the key levels, because you can see if we are trading according to 4 hours support, you can see there is a good buy signal here. There is a good buy signal here, and you can see that the market is going up, and confirm that now that signal it's valid. But you can see here, there is an indication of a resistance. Anything can happen, and this market can reverse. And as you can see in a weekly time frame, there is a consolidation here. So we can't tell if this market is good to buy. And if this market will be good to buy, it must break this. It must break this level. All right, guys, it must break this level. One thing I want you to understand is that we know how to trade it manually, even without any indicator. And this is why we must give a good setup that aligns with professionalism of trading. So this is why I'm telling you it must break this resistance in order for that market to be valid to buy. All right, and this is the weekly, and it can tell you that the GPP JPY, it has been consolidating for a month, because this is remember, one candle here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let us go this area. For almost a whole month, the market has been raging in same area. But this because it is a weekly does not mean that we cannot trade. This means that we can still trade. And as if you can watch it closely, this is no, sorry, not that one. Where is this? If you can watch it closely, you can see there is this pattern here. All right, guys, there is this pattern in a weekly time frame. So this tells us they have been trading. We can catch up buys here because of where we get our support at this level, or our demand at this level. This tells us we can catch up some buys here in small time frame, but not really sell. Selling here, it is very risk until there is a confirmation of our supply. If there was a supply here, then we can catch up only sales, not buys. But because we have our demand at this area, this is why we will catch up only buys in our Renko chart, or when you're trading candle, you can catch up the buys in your candle chart. So let us go back at this place again and analyze. You can see after setting our Agatha for our time frame, you can see there is a signal. But why is this signal not that valid? Why do we want to trade from the key levels? It is because you can see the currency strength here. They are telling you don't try to buy. This market is good for sale. This market is good for sale, not for buy. all right? And because it is reversing from this area, you can see it is reversing from this area, but after breaking here, let me tell you, this buy, it will be valid. So this is why we are not using 4 hours, we are using only daily support and resistance, or daily demand and supply. From here, we deactivate 4 hours so that we can work with only daily and weekly support and resistance to make sure that we are trading the key levels. This is why you can see even our channel is telling you, don't try to buy, wait for the market to touch this area or this area and let it give us our daily support or a weekly, then we can buy that market perfectly. Let me show you another thing here. Let us reverse, because it is a buy market. When this market was buying from this area, this was this is why you must be patient with the market. You can see there was a good buy here. Don't forget, we are buying from this area, all right? So there was a good buy here, a very valid buy here, again here, and here, because we were coming from the support. All these buys, guys, was so valid, was good to buy. So this is why you must be patient with the market. And we have so many currencies, and you don't have to worry, because there is no special currency when it comes to our TFX Nairobi plus the Ambacas. You can trade any. So we are avoiding this because we don't have a support at this area. Even our channel, still telling us this is not a good market to buy until we get a full support. So even if we have the confirmation of our D Fisher here and the changing color of this one, and we also have our trend maker changing the color plus this arrow, guys, we can still see even our currency strength here. They are not agreeing to buy this market. They are still telling you the strength is still for sellers. The sellers still have the say in the market. So we cannot buy until we have a support here, all right, or a demand at this area, and with the also combination or the help of our channel. If this market touched our channel here and we have a support, trust me, that is key levels, and that is what we can call our POI, so the point of interest. So that one can be the point, our point of interest, and we can buy that market. So that was a very good thing to cover, because you can all of a sudden this market can reverse to touch this area or this place and give us now a good support. Then we can buy that market after this indicator telling us here a buy, it's from 70%, and then again we can confirm that currency is strong, and at this area it will reflect white. Any currency that will be strong from 75% at this point, 7.5, and there is 75% here, and that currency strength, my friend, trust me, buy that currency with the confirm of this one. You won't miss any signal. This one will be giving you alert. It is very simple to analyze the market with this, our EA. Let me show you something, because I think now I'm done here, and now you can understand why sometimes you buy and you get, after buying, the market went against you. It is because you're not buying from your POI, and also there is no good confirmation. And this is why we thank God, because now our system is totally complete because of this. Also the currency meter, it has helped us a lot. So this strength meter, it has helped us a lot. Let us pick like one of our GPP JPY, and it is very simple when trading with this system. You just come this way and you pick Renko file M, just in one click. There is a Renko file here for gold. For those people who love to trade gold, let me show you. There is this file for gold. Let me just click it like that. For those people who love to trade gold, to see our system analyzing the gold also. So let us pick gold, right, to see how it works. Guys, it is very simple working with our system, right? So now this is gold. This is gold, guys. This is gold, and you can see on a weekly, the gold has been dropping. In this week, our indicator or our system here tells you should be selling gold. Let us go to our Renko chart. You can see there is a resistance here. So there was a good sell of this gold. There is a good sell for this gold. All right. For the gold, you can see we are not buying unless we are buying from this support. But as long as we are coming from the resistance, it is good to be selling or taking all these sales. It is good to be taking all sales, guys, all these sales. If our system tells you to sell gold, someone can say, oh, my friend, they can see the market went, or they never break the rules. And something that a lot of traders messed with, it is breaking the rules of the system. If I tell you, be patient, if the market, if the system tells you it is only selling, don't try to gamble in the market. You must obey the rules of the market. Just wait for sell signal in gold. Sell signal in gold. And this is the our first signal here. This is our first sell at this point. And let me clear this to many. When it comes to trade gold with this one, don't bother about the strength of the gold, blah, 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 blah. Just monitor what is happening here. But it is also to see what is happening with the euro, with the USD, all right? But you can see the USD, when it's getting strong, or the strength, you can see the market is dropping, all right, guys? So that's why you can see the sell here, it is 78%. This one helps you to trade with whether you're trading gold or any of our index that you're trading. This one will help you a lot. But for that, don't bother about the scanner. Just check what is happening here. If the sell is 78% and the USD is strong here, then just know that you are supposed to be selling. You can see it is 80, and this is why the market is dropping. So whenever we have this signal, for instance, at this area, we have the signal, valid signal. And let me say, maybe you came and you got like this signal. It has already, we have already picked this signal, but maybe you were late. Just go and check here if the sell is from 75%, and if the USD is strong. If the USD is strong, and here it's telling you to sell, and it has like 75%, just sell. It doesn't matter where you are, or where the market is. Just sell as long as we are coming from the resistance. And you can see this area was very strong, because even our channel, it is at this area. You can see our channel is at this area, and we have our demand this area. So every time the sell was from 75% from this strength meter, then you can sell if also the USD is strong. And if we are coming from buy at this area, and the buy here is from 70%, and you got that the USD is weak, now it's for the buy. USD must be weak. Don't buy when the USD is strong. Buy when the USD is weak. And it's telling you here, this strength meter, it's telling you that, or it is indicating from 75% strength. So if it is from the 75% strength, and the USD here is weak, that's a good time to buy if we are coming from the support. And in case of anything, there is no even all this confirmation, just, and you're in the middle of the market at this area, guys. Don't worry. Not that one. Sorry. My point is, you can be in the middle of the game even at this area, and the USD is strong, and we are coming from the support. It is a good time to buy, as far as there is no a close resistance. So it's a good place also to buy. So when it comes to gold, just monitor this place, and to make sure that the USD is strong when it sell, and if it is a buy, the USD must be weak. All right, guys, when the USD is strong, then it's a good time to to sell like this place. All right, guys. So this is why if you are in the market and you are coming from the resistance, now you would have been banking this gold. So let us go to again to something that is very, very important because it is a learning video. Let us click this one because let us learn something from GBP USD to summarize this video by letting you know now step by step what you'll be looking at. Let us delete gold and let us now concentrate here. Let us delete here also GBP, or anyway, let it remain there. Now, what will you be doing? Or what are you supposed? It's very, very simple system that you can understand with this single video. Number one, after opening your charts here, you just go, right? Because when you open your chart, it's plain like this one. You just go to templates, you just pick this Renko file M, right? You just click it just once. And in case of anything, if it will not create the Renko chart like this one, you can see there is a Renko chart, yes, but we cannot see the ambercast here. And the ambercast is the one that we use when we are picking the trades. So you go back to your chart and again, you attach again the Renko file M. Now, when we jump to our Renko template, you'll find that now we have our EA here, or now we have our Agatha. Now, the second thing that you'll be analyzing in this market, the reason why we have this scanner, it is to make things easier for you. It will be scanning every pair that is here on our market watch. Right now, it is, you can see we have all the pairs, all our pairs that are here, they are all here, being scanned by this scanner. Now, to make things easier, you can be only checking if we have the white and the red indicators here. Because like now, you can see the card JPY, the card has 7.3, but the moment it will hit 7.5, it will change color at this point. It will change color from gray to white. Then the CHF, it will be in red. So we are looking here for the pair that will be with white. You can see now 7.6. This is card CHF and card JPY. They are all strong with 7.4, 7.6. You saw them with the white color, but this one was still in gray. So we are looking when this one will be in red and this one in white. You can see like now card JPY with a 7.6. That's why they have changed the color into white. So you'll just jump into that and pick that card JPY and card CHF, something like that, right? Yeah, card CHF and card JPY, because they are the ones that are giving you now signal that we are about. Even this Euro card, you can see the Euro card also trying to indicate white at this place. So you can jump to them and now wait for a signal. It will be very simple as that. Now we can create our Renko because we have seen that the card JPY, it's trying to indicate a white, the white color, which indicates from 7.5 strength, that is 75. Then we can start looking which signal that we can get there. All right, guys. You can see we are supposed to be looking for sell. So now that one is not valid, because if we are looking for sell and you can see the market is buying at this area, we are in the resistance. So now we'll be looking for sell, and this means that the JPY must be strong, not weak. Now, let us learn from this thing now. Let us go back to our currency meter. Since we saw that the card JPY, we have it here with 7.1, it's getting weak. We are waiting for the JPY now to start turning white at this area if it is a sell, because we are coming from the resistance. Let me show you the reason why people the reason why you sometimes you buy and you find that the market is going against you. You can see here we are coming from the resistance. So this tells us we are looking for sell. But if you can see here, card JPY, it is the card that is strong here. All right, it is telling you the buy is 70%. All right, we are waiting it to hit 75% so that we can buy, and that's why you are getting here it's 7.6. All right, but the JPY, you will find it is 5.1 or 5.0. The same thing you are seeing it here, 5.0. If here, like now, let's say for instance, the JPY here, let me, maybe some people are not seeing it correctly. Let us screenshot this so that we can analyze this market together. I want you to see something here that is very, very, very helpful to you guys. Let me show something here. I just want everyone to see what I'm talking about. Now, you will find that, let me show something here. This is what I'm trying to talk about. You can see the card, it's strong with 7.4. And the JPY, it is still strong with 4.4. We are waiting for the JPY to show this color. All the card to be in red, while the JPY will be in white. When it is 75, you have seen it is changing the color from gray to white. So when the JPY now gets strength, why are we waiting for the JPY to be strong? It is because we are coming from the resistance. All right, we are coming from the resistance. So if you can check here and say that you only have 70%, if you think that you have 70% and you think that you can buy, it is good to confirm where are we? We are in the resistance. So let us bring this one also. We are in this strong resistance, weekly and daily resistance. So it is good to wait for the market to break this area before buying. When this our resistance will become a support, then we can buy. All right, guys. And if we go to our Renko chart, we are still also in our key zone in this resistance, daily and weekly resistance. So we are waiting for this market to break this resistance in order for us to buy. So it doesn't matter whether it is telling us it is 75% to buy, but we can see we are in a danger zone. We are in a resistance, waiting for the market to break this resistance. And when the resistance becomes the support, then, and our strength meter here tells us we the card is the card which is the base currency is still strong, then we can buy. But right now we cannot buy. All right, guys, we cannot buy. So we are waiting for our indicators here or our currency strength to tell us when to sell or when to buy. So if we must buy this market, again, we must wait this market to break the resistance. So if we must sell this market, then again, we are waiting for this market to break, to drop at this area, and we'll be waiting for the D feature also to give us a confirmation, because we must confirm. Because remember, the market is all about, it can just drop to this area and then continue going up. So that tells us we cannot buy that market until we break this area, or unless we get another resistance here. The reason why we cannot sell without confirming a good sell like this one, all right? We want to confirm a good sell like this one, the changing color of everything. Coming from the resistance, we have the arrow here, the changing color of our T master. Then you can see, and our D Fisher must hit from this level or this level. From this level to this level, again, we can sell this market if we are coming from the resistance. All right, guys, and that will help us if also here we got from 75%, and that currency is strong. Also, it's strong to this area. So I just want you to learn this. Don't get into the market, even if they are all confirmation about sell. Don't get into the market unless that currency is strong at this area. And at this point, we have from 75%. Then sell that market or buy that market. Keep this in mind. The work of our indicator here, or this scanner, it is to alert you the pairs that they are about to sell or to buy. And we say they will be from 75%. And if it is hard for you to read all these numbers, all you need it is to check which one is indicating a white. Because if it is indicating white and red, then that is the currency to go and check if you can buy or sell. Like for instance, let's check like this NZD card. You can see the NZD here, NZD card, we have it with 2.6. This is what we are seeing here. All right. And the card itself, it is strong with 6.5. So as long as you see these reds here, it's also indicating, go and check the other indicator, if it the other pair, if it is from 7, and get ready. Even if it is 6, get ready. Start waiting. Check if there is a signal that you can be waiting for there. If the signal also indicate white, check if the competitor or the competing pair is with red or is weak. But let me show something here, guys. I just want you to get this very well. Let's say AUD NZD. You can't tell me NZD is red and AUD you can see it is with 3.5. I'm not talking about if it is red, check the competing pair. If it is from 6 and whatever, then get ready for it. You can now attach it here. So it's not a much to attach so many pairs here. Attach them according to the signal you are getting here. So for instance, NZD card, you can see the card is with 7 now, 7.5 here. And the NZD is with 2 point, the same thing that is here. So here it's to help you to check the colors very fast, because they are you can identify them as many as possible, because here you can only be checking like this week and the weak and the strongest one. But when it comes here, you can able to indicate that we have NZD USD. You can go again. We have which one again? Yeah, you can be able to indicate again Euro NZD. You can be able to indicate many, guys. You can also be Euro NZD. You can be able to read many than here, so that you can get very fast, or you can get a quick signal, so that you can attach it here and attach the Renko. So it is very, very simple. This one helps you to detect, because it's scanning every pair here and bring them here, and it will tell you which one is strong and weak by changing the color of all this. All right, guys. So let us go back. After picking see like this one with red, this is USD CHF, but the USD is 5.7 and the CHF is 2.3. So you can still wait until it get from 6, then you can attach it here. If it is from 7, go and pick it very fast and see if there is valid signal, then pick it. So this scanner, it will be making things easier for you. Instead of checking every pair, trying to check every pair, this scanner has brought every pair here to your attention, and then you'll be looking which one is strong and weak so that you can buy. And it's only by detecting colors. This is why I'm telling you it's very simple. It's only by detecting colors. All right, guys? Yeah, I've tried to enlarge it so that you can see it clearly, because if you go to our currency strength, you can adjust the font to be the big as you want. I think for me, 9, it's good. All right, guys, so you can see it very clear now. 1.6, whatever, this is very weak and this one is very strong. Then with 6.1 versus 1.7, so you can be able to read them very fast and start arranging them here, so that by the end of the day you'll have a lot of signal, instead of trying to check every time. It's very tiresome checking one by one to see if there is signal, but it makes things easier if you can read this scanner correctly. So if you still don't understand correctly what I'm trying to say here, you can just tell me to cover another video about this scanner. So we say this scanner, it will make things easier for you. You can see card CHF, the card is 7.4, the CHF here, it is all that are here back indicating the quote currency. And the first ones here, the front one here indicates base currency. All right, guys, they indicate the base currency. So you can, it can be easier for you. Let me show something here. Let me divide here. Some maybe are not understanding what I'm saying. For the two numbers here, the front one, they indicate the base currency. And the base currency are the one that we start when counting the pairs. USD JPY. USD is a base currency. The JPY is the quote currency. So all these one, the back ones here, they indicate quote currency. So whenever you see like this one, let me remove now my line here. Whenever you see like this one, you can see 7.4. All right, 7.4. It is a base, it is a quote currency that is strong with 7.4, and the base currency is weak with 3.2. So you can jump now to GPP card and look if there is a sell, because we can see the base, the quote currency is the one that is strong. It is simple as that one. And jump now to GPP card and see if we can get the sell signal. Then from there, we are good to go. I do believe you are getting my point now. All right. You are getting my point. Wow. This is a sell in a weekly time frame. And when we jump to our Renko, you can see there was a good sell. There was a good sell. You can see there was even 77%. There was a good sell at this area, because you can be able to detect them here by the currency strength. So that's what you'll be doing, because as you can see, it's coming now from the resistance. This tells you the GPP card has been doing well, especially in 3 weeks now, selling, and we would have been selling this one according with the percentage of our currency meter. I do believe now you get full understanding of how you'll be analyzing the market. Let me finalize this by saying that you can watch this video again and again to make sure that you understand how you'll be picking trades, And don't forget, this one will be helping you to pick the trades that they are about to give the signal, instead of picking one by one or checking one by one, because it's very tiresome. The second thing, after every confirmation here, because we want to avoid any pullback that maybe some have been experiencing about after picking the trades, after taking the trades, maybe trades goes against you. That one now will end because this one will be helping you with the percentage, and this one will be helping you with the strength of that pair or that currency. So this one will be helping you with the percentage, and this one will be helping you with the strength, and this one will be helping you with scanning the pair that is about to give you signal. And I do believe from there, guys, you'll be picking trades professionally and you'll be banking without drawdowns. All right, guys, all I'm asking you it is to follow the rules of the system. This one will be first strength meter here. It will be giving you the percentage, and the second one here, it will be giving you the strength of the pair. So we are looking from 75% to sell, 75% to buy if our system here is telling you to buy or to sell. Secondly, we'll be checking for this one, and if it is strong, then we can continue selling or buy. So this one we look for the strength. And don't forget, that one, it's more of those people who love to do what? Scalping. That is good for scalping, and it can also be done by any trader by following those simple rules. For those who love to trade long trade without they have nothing to do with currency strength, just check our valid support or resistance or our supply and demand. Then when the signal are met, everything here, then sell even without checking the currency strength, because I do believe your account is big, can hold. If there will be a pullback, then you can buy, as long as we are buying from the, or selling from the key zone. And don't forget, you must do it according to what is happening here in our big time frame. So if our big time frame is telling you to sell, then you can pick that sell even without wondering or analyzing what is happening to our currency strength. But it is good and advisable, even if you want to trade a long trade, it is good the first entry to pick it according to also the currency strength. You can ignore this if you are ignorant to yourself, but if you want to make money, guys, without hesitating or without fear, make sure you get the good percentage here, and you also get the strength of the market. For this one, let it help you to pick the trades easily, or to know the trades that will give you the signal by the end of the day. So I do believe this one now it's very clear. And for those people who have our TFX Nairobi manual system, contact us so that you can get our indicator and our template. So it's only this indicator that you need, that I do believe we updated some days back. So it's only this indicator and the new templates, and you are good to go. So thank you so much, guys. And once again, welcome to DFX family. Thank you.